Hello you guys, I didn't make an introduction for this video, so this is my quick introduction before I take my makeup off, even though it's kind of like ruined. So it's going to be about me packing my essentials for a Salsa festival. I hope you find this video useful, and perhaps you can give me some suggestions in the comment section below. So now, if you're ready for it, let's get started. First is my Ted Baker leggings. They're really stretchy and comfortable. They're really good and look really cute with the zippers on the sides. And this is my Sarah, if I'm not mistaken, skirt, which is good for like an unexpected night around town in case you have to catch a break or just a dinner with friends. Along with another dress for dancing, and this is a velvet material. It's really thin and it's really like very airy as well, but it's like it showcases your curves and all the movements, which is what you want anyway. 4 pairs of leggings along with like 7 to 8 type of shirts that you can interchange in case that you sweating while you're in the workshops dancing. Since you're dancing the whole day, you want to be able to feel fresh and take a shower as many times, and you won't have any problems fitting them in the luggage because they're just really stretchy and compact. These are my comfort socks, which are really good for like blood circulation. It's something that you want because you want to be able to continue dancing for the entire 3 days period. This is my uncoordinated zipping clothes, along with makeup, skincare product, lipsticks, eyelashes, eyelash curlers, mascaras, everything, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, all the essentials that you need for your personal hygiene, and just to make sure that you always look cute, which who doesn't want to look cute? Come on now. And this is my shoe bag, which I will show you in a little bit what it has in there, and it's just an old blanket bag that I want to use for that. These are my hair products and tools, just to make sure that I always look cute and presentable. Along with some Q-tips, some cotton balls, feminine products, some toothpicks and floss, and of course, in case you are yelling too much, some hauls for that as well. All of this is what I'll be packing, along with, of course, my shoes, which you can see here. I have 2 brand new shoes for dancing, 1 pair of heels, 1 pair of my favorite boots, which are very used. The first this one that you can see here, the gold ones, are actually clean. This is my shoes for like walking around town in case that I go to a dinner or something like that. I love them, they're very comfy, and these are my very favorite shoes, as you can see by the sole. And yeah, the other ones are back there, which are silver, and I use a lot. Probably use this for practice, something like that. Don't know. Going back into my shoe bag, these are my practice shoes. This one specifically are new. They're really comfortable and they give your feet, support in a sense, and flexibility as well, so you can practice and do as many movements as you can do. These are mainly for like jazz, salsa, and such, along with a foot mask, because who doesn't like to kind of like treat themselves while they're out and about. This is how they look like when they're worn, and they're really comfy. To stay connected, I'll be bringing my Surface Pro, which I love. It's the best thing that I ever bought so far. And of course, here is my portable charger, along with Prax, our beautiful model. Who, I don't know, wait, what? Yep, there he is. He is modeling his brand new sweater. Right? Yeah. You liked it? You like to be in the camera? Yes? We know you do. Look at that. So pretty. So cute. Come on out. I love it. One thing I forgot to mention is the shirt that I'll be putting with the leggings, which is a kind of see-through blackish, kind of like combined, along with the sweater just in case that I need something. And of course, who doesn't love a handy-dandy leather jacket? Yeah. Alright you guys, so there you have it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join the vlog. Thank you for watching. See ya on the next one. Ciao.